Ow!
Bug. Your dad's here again. Alex. Your dad's here.
He did! Oh!
No!
Ow!
Don't get it, you're on it. What in the world are you doing to your dad, son?
You hurt me. Ow!
Easy with the eyes.
Ow!
Talk to him in his ear. That's what he wants.
It hurts!
I want to hide our house.
Can you see anything down in your dad's ear? Alex,
Yeah?
look down in his ear. See if you see anything. God, he hangs onto your hair.
No.
You see anything in it?
No.
Ah!
What are you doing, Alex?
Hey, you fall. That scared the heck out of you. Ow!
He holds on by your hair.
Huh?
He holds on by your hair. He's like a little monkey.
No, it's not.
Be nice, don't get in trouble. And did you ever see anything down your dad's ear?
No.
Ow! You showed his finger way down my ear. That hurt. It's bleeding. Look. No, it's not.
Oh, it's You know better to get your son excited. He wins.
Ow!
Whoop the dad.
Darn it.
Uh-oh. That's stealing my sugar.
I ate his nose. Look, he has no nose. I ate it.
Oh,
There, it's back.
Hey, you play a dance?
You got booger in your nose. Show the camera. Show the camera.
I never.
Go get toilet tissue.
That's soft one.
Oh, it popped his ears.
That tickle? Oh, my ears hurt.
I'm not hurt. I'm fine.
Okay, this floor's trash cans. You can see camera.